because you have to know how to handle the deeper work too, all right? So here's a little deeper work, okay? And why is it deeper? Because as we go in deeper and we unblock the chi, emotions are going to arise, and if you know how to deal with those energetically, you're in a good place, and if you don't, you might have trouble. So I'm sort of stimulating this area. I'm going around in a little bit of a circle like this. And then boom, I'm going to come off here. And notice, block, block, block. Hard to, how do I breathe into that? So I'm going to keep holding. At the moment, those of you who can't see me at home, I have 2 hands on their feet. 1 and 2. Wiggling fingers and toes is important because in the healing session, we're concentrating energy, and in medical Qigong practices, we're concentrating that to lower Dantian. No juice in lower Dantian, you have no energy to work through it. Do you see? Mm-hmm. You start getting energy to your Dantian, right away your body wants to start cathartic, wants to start healing. Mm-hmm. The moment healers start going, let me pull something out of here, your body wants to start healing. Mm-hmm. Solar plexus, yeah. And what did that feel like when I started coming in here, right into the center? Like, what did you notice as I started bringing deeper awareness into here? Down there. You could feel the energy moving.
Yeah. It is astonishing what you do.
Yeah. How do you feel right now?
Oh, I'm like
shaky
this.
And bubbly.
Yeah.
Awesome. Tell them all at home how you feel.
I feel light. I feel my shoulder is moving around as if I've got the best, what do you call that thing? Rotator cuff.
Movements. She can't remember. It's part of the process. She's got to catch up with herself.
On the other hand, I feel like I feel really light, but to move my feet
feels weird, right?
Is weird.
Yes. You know why? It is going to take a little time for her to ground. When she gets outside in about 15 minutes, she's going to feel even better because she'll be more grounded.